Yes, sir.
Austin Kimball, Friday Night Glory here at TCA with Coach Hayes. Coach, you got Thanksgiving practice once again. Tell me how you feel.
Man, it's my favorite time of year. I love Thanksgiving holiday. It's the best one because it's not been commercialized, and it's just all about the things that I love, and that's my family and faith and football and just good, all good.
Got a big semi-final matchup against Prestonwood Christian Academy on Saturday, right? I was wondering if you could detail the schedule over this week.
It's a pretty normal practice schedule. The good thing is that the kids don't have school, and so these next 3 days we can kind of mirror game time and practice earlier in the day, which we can't do the other times of the year, and so that's why we're out here right now, and I think it's good to get in a routine. Schedule's important.
Coach, you gave up 2 touchdowns in the fourth quarter to lose to PCA earlier in the season. Can you just tell me, have you tweaked anything about your routine to make sure that doesn't happen again?
Well, part of that was because of injuries, and fortunately we've tweaked it in that we're a lot healthier. We feel good about the health of our team going into the game this week, and much better than it was when we played them before, and I think that'll give us a much more competitive chance to finish.
All right, Coach, we wish you good luck on Saturday and have a happy Thanksgiving.
You too. Thank you.